Hi there, I'm Theophan. If you're the owner of a law firm that's trying to figure out how to get your intake processes dialed in so that they can be more effective, you're in the right place. I've been working as a professional coach in private practice since 2006, specifically as an executive sales coach. About 5 or 6 years ago, I started a sales training program so that salespeople would start selling in a more non-traditional manner, no features and benefits selling, no overcoming stalls and objections. Over the course of the last 12 months, I've worked with at least 24 different law firms, helping them to understand how to have sales meetings with prospective clients in a way that focuses on the prospect and not as much on the attorney. We're really digging in and asking curious questions, practicing active listening to figure out if we can help that person. As a result of working with all these law firms over the last year, I've come to realize that intake tends to be a challenge and a bottleneck for most of them. I've created this workshop so that you can have a clear, specific process for your intake professionals to be able to take a prospective client, a PNC, from that initial conversation to scheduling a consultation with a non-attorney salesperson or with an attorney at your firm. If you're trying to figure out how to streamline your intake processes and how to train your intake professionals on a better approach to this conversation, they are the face of your company. So it makes sense to have them trained in a really, really good way. If that's what you're looking for, this workshop is for you. I hope that you're able to join us, and I know that you're going to get what you've come for from this training. I hope to see you there.